It's a thyseenkrupp. Today we got thyseenkrupp. Finally found the hydraulic in this mall. Anyways. Oh, I forgot there's the elevator sign over there. At the Ocean View Mall in South Sandy City. It's not a regular Sandy City. That's a South Sandy City. Here we go. This thyseenkrupp. Yes! My very first map, yes, picture. We're gonna go 2 on these. Let's look out the window. Here we go. This thing is quiet more, and this one is quiet. You're 2. Yes, I'm Jensen Law, a little bit photographer. Down for time. Not around the business stores yet. And it's a nice indicator here. Nice indicator. Stand up to 2. I hear the motor, Daddy. After we go to the ice over next. Here's the old washing room. Sadly, the door is locked off. Sadly, the door is locked off. So sorry. So, well, there's a glass over it, and that's it. No.